your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
Hello, my beautiful babies. Welcome back to the greatest show on earth. I'm Anya Habita, and you are very special to me. If this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell, set the notification to always so you don't miss when I upload. The scallywag is back. This is the Outre synthetic Swiss lace wig in the style Stevie in the color DR4/613. It was sent to me by Divatress. I will have a link down in the description. Alright, so initial first impressions, it is definitely blonder than I thought it would be, but I like that. I like the curl pattern already. The hair is really soft, like, wow. Cap construction, let's get into it. Two little clips up here, wide part. Oh, it goes back pretty far, I like that, it's pretty wide. And in the back, classic band and comb combination. Let's try her on. She is, I don't think this is big head friendly. I feel like I don't have a big head. So for this to like not be, oh, she pretty though. Come on. Okay, Stevie. Yes. Gotta do something about this part. This is it natural, straight out the box. Okay, so she comes to like about my boobs. I'm 5'2", so I usually wear my hair to my ass, y'all already know. But this is cute. I kind of feel like a mom, but like a cool mom. You know what I mean? Like a mom that, you know, has time. A nanny. I'm a mom with a nanny in this hair. Alright, now let's, as they say on Say Yes to the Dress, let's jack her up. Do y'all watch that show? This hair is really so soft and so pretty already. I am so excited to rock this. Okay, let's pop her back on and go to work. I like to put the clips in. I know some people are like, I do not put clips in my hair. I put clips in my hair and my edges are just fine, so. Honey, she is a look, a mood, a vibe, a feeling. Yes, get into it. Get into her. Excuse me, I'd like to speak to your manager. Y'all know I always struggle with like, should I pluck it, should I not pluck it when it comes to synthetic wigs. I think it makes it last so much shorter and it really damages the lace, and like I don't like to do it. And I like this hair so much that I just realized this was like tilted up. And I like this hair so much, I don't want to ruin it. Y'all already know what time it is. Concealer in the part time. Concealer, foundation. I'm gonna go with foundation, especially because this is like a lighter wig. I definitely want the part to be my skin tone. I'm gonna go into the part on the underside with my Fenty Beauty in the color 420. Going on the outside, I'm gonna do one more pump. Like a little pump, not even a full pump, like a half a pump. That makes it look like literally 1,000 times better. Yeah. Okay. Use electric curling or flat iron with temperature up to 400 degrees. Mine goes up to 400, but I'm gonna set it at 310, maybe 360. And this is the Infinity Pro by Conair curling wand. It's heated up, so I'm just gonna take it and really just push this hair down, especially this hump in the back. This hump in the back is really what makes synthetic wigs look so wiggy. Going in with this dual-sided brush. I am using the softer side. Brush that into place. Going in one more time. The final countdown. Alright, this is the final look. I think she is gorgeous. She is definitely a little blonder than like Jordyn Woods. I thought this was gonna be like Jordyn Woods vibe. She's definitely blonder, but I like this blonde. I like the 613 blonde on me. Bouncy, pretty, fluffy, flowy. I can get my hands through her. No shedding. Thank you so much, Divatress, for sending me this hair. I love it. Can't wait to rock it. Make sure you follow my Instagram so you don't miss all the looks that I pull with this hair, honey. It's a must. It's a must. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Set it to always so you don't miss when I upload. And I will see y'all next time.
You got it, girl, you got it. Pretty